guys, today I'm gonna show you a video about my new to me E64 M6. And I was on vacation for 2 weeks, and when I got home, the car started throwing a check engine and increased emission, engine malfunction, reduced power, all this good stuff. After running a scanner, I found there's like 300 codes for the engine, but two that do not go away when I try to clear them out are for misfiring on cylinder number 2. Let me just shut it down. I already ordered a new spark plug and new coil for one cylinder, because the whole set, it's about, I think it's more than $1,000 to do all 10, and for spark plugs and coils. So I'm just gonna test this cylinder number 2. I never worked on S85 before. I'm gonna start taking things apart right now. When my part comes tomorrow, I'm gonna be ready and we'll see if it's gonna fix it. I'm gonna start working on disassembling this part, because I believe cylinder number 2 is on this side, on the passenger side for US cars. I saw some YouTube videos, that's how we do it. Watching YouTube videos how to fix this problem. So I'm gonna remove filter, and what else I need to remove to get to this spark plug and coil. Okay, so I got this airbox filter, and also I removed this cover. It's actually right here. And while I wait for my spark plug and coil, I decided to swap coil number 2 to number 1, and also I'm gonna do the same thing for the spark plug. I'll just do this just to make sure that it's not something else. Then I'll start ordering more parts if I need to. I don't want to waste this day, so let's just do this, and let's see if this error message, and let's see if this code will follow to cylinder number 1. Cylinder number 1 coil got so sticky I couldn't pull it out, so I broke it, and I believe this is a good one. So what I did, I inserted it in cylinder number 2, and now I have two misfires for cylinder number 1 and cylinder number 2. So I have to order two of these now. One is coming, like I said, tomorrow, and another will come next day. So this project goes on hold until I have brand new coils. So my parts finally came, 2 of the coils and brand new spark plug, and I just finished extracting the old one. Turn this right way, and in my opinion it seems fine. I'm gonna swap it anyways with a new one and install 2 brand new coils. I'm gonna clear all the codes, and we'll see if it's gonna fix it. I just cleared all the codes with Carly. Let's see if check engine and limp mode will come back. Yeah, check engine is gone. Limp mode is definitely gone. If you guys remember, in the limp mode, this red jumps to 4,000, 3,000 RPM, so you cannot drive it too high. And also, let's go to iDrive. I had a whole bunch of messages here. Let me just do it from here. Yeah, good. So apparently, let me just shut it down. So it looks like in this case it was just the spark plug or coil, and like I said, I was an idiot. I couldn't pull it out. I couldn't remove the first cylinder gently. I broke one, so I had to replace 2. Probably in the future I'll order the whole kit. It's not sure the previous owner did replace those, and on S85 it's a very complex engine and it likes good service, good maintenance, so I'm gonna replace them for sure, all 10 of those. And also I wanted to tell you guys one more thing. If you replace your coils or spark plugs and your misfire code still there, when I was waiting for my coils, I did some research and I found out that these engines, they have what is called ionic ignition module, which is located under this cover, and these go bad too. It's like has one bank, one module, and another module is on the other side. It's over here. So if you still have misfires with the new spark plugs and new coils, you can swap these, and if your misfire will follow, it means one of these modules has to be replaced. And as of right now, as of the summer 2023, they're like $430, kind of expensive. It's better to replace both of them, but like I said, E64 is a very complex engine, likes good maintenance. And yeah, looks like in my case, as of right now, I got like on the easy part. If I wouldn't break one of my coils like this one, I couldn't pull it out, and I had to like grab it over here, and it's definitely misfiring now. So yeah, it's junk now. It was very easy fix for me, just had to wait a couple of days, and I'm gonna take this baby for a spin. Let me just finish this up, like put this cover back and filter and everything. Just took my M6 for a quick spin. Didn't drive this car for more than 2 weeks, actually about 20 days. Sorry for the dirty car. The last time I drove it was raining, and I left it in garage like that, and I didn't have time to wash it. So like I said, the spark plug and coil was the issue. I'm driving it like for 30 minutes right now. No check engine, no increased emission, no limp mode. So for me it was a very easy fix. Hopefully you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna have more content about this particular car. I found out some very interesting information about this color combination, and I hope you stay tuned, and it's gonna be interesting. I'm on the top of this high-rise parking lot. Usually I go here with my kids at night to look at the skies, and I just decided to end this video over here. See you guys in the next one.